Let's take a look at slide number 4 in your lesson today in Classkick. It says 12 and 65 hundredths multiplied by 4 or 10 to the 4th power. Your job is to read through and fill in the blanks. It says 12 and 65 hundredths times 10 to the power of 4 equals, we need to find a product there, because the number 10 to the 4th power has blank zeros when it is written without an exponent. All right, so let's do this. Let's find what does 10 to the 4th power look like when it's written not with the zeros, without the exponent. Well, 10 4th power is going to have 4 zeros, okay? Because we've learned that whatever the power is the same number of zeros you have in your power of 10, okay? So we can go right here already, and we can answer the second one, because the number 10 to the 4th power has 4 zeros when it is written without an exponent. So let's focus back here to find our product. I'm going to write my 12 and 65 hundredths here. I'm multiplying it times 10 to the 4th power. We know that that has 4 zeros, so that means I'm going to move my decimal point 4 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need to fill those blank jumps in with a 0 and a 0, and my decimal point now becomes right here. So I'm going to actually put the text on this line. Oops, not so big. Put it up here. I'm going to have 126, 500. I'm going to double check that, make sure that looks right. Let's see here. So I jumped my decimal. That was right here between the 2 and the 6, 4 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that should be it. So 1,026 and 500 is my product. If you did not get that for this slide 4 in your Classkick, check your work. And if you're having a hard time understanding, go find the teacher in the breakout rooms.